So be it a rural or a urban setup, importance of contraception cannot be undermined. It is very important for any individual and every individual to be able to make the correct reproductive choice and to be able to access the information available, understand the different methods available, and take actions accordingly. Keeping this in mind, 26 September is recognized by WHO as World Contraception Day. So it's very important for every individual to have the reproductive choices very clear with them so that they are able to make an informed decision. If we talk about the female and the male different method of contraceptions available, we can start from the natural methods, where there are many natural methods available. Then comes the barrier methods, so which prevents you against infections, and if you prevent yourself against the sexually transmitted infection, you prevent yourself from the cervical cancer causing viruses as well. Now there are a couple of hormonal methods which comes in the forms of contraceptive pills, then injections, or intrauterine contraceptive device which is kept inside the uterus, which can be a hormonal and or a non-hormonal one, a ring or an implant. So these are the hormonal methods. Then the long-acting reversible contraceptive methods, which includes the intrauterine contraceptive device, which is a which comes as a copper T, you must have heard, which is a non-hormonal, and the Mirena, which comes by the name of LNG-IUS, which is the hormonal method. Then lastly comes the tubal ligation or the vasectomy for male and female, which is a method of permanent contraception. So it's very important to be aware of your reproductive choices so that you are able to take a conscious call, prevent yourself from unintended pregnancies. It helps in regularizing the menstrual cycle as well, prevent yourself from infections which can lead to serious health concerns later on in the life. So keep yourself educated, come and discuss it with your doctor, with your partner, and prevent yourself from these things which can be easily prevented. Thank you.